Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Raydium Wallet, which is a powerful tool for swapping, staking, and managing tokens on the Solana blockchain. So, if you are considering using Raydium in 2025, this video covers all the essentials that you need to know. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First, we need to understand what is a Raydium Wallet. So, Raydium Wallet is part of the Raydium ecosystem, which is a decentralized exchange and automated market maker built on Solana blockchain. So, it allows you to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and stake assets effortlessly while benefiting from Solana lightning fast and low cost transactions. If I talk about its key features, so built on Solana, a Raydium Wallet ensures your swaps and trades are completed almost instantly with minimal fees. You can seamlessly exchange a wide variety of tokens directly on the platform. The wallet enables users to provide liquidity and earn rewards, making it a great tool for the DeFi enthusiasts. You can even stake your tokens in farming pools to earn the additional rewards. And as a Solana based tool, Raydium connects with other applications and wallets in the ecosystem for the all in one DeFi experience. Now, getting started with Raydium Wallet is also very easy. You just have to visit to the official website of Raydium and you need to just connect a Solana compatible wallet like Phantom or Solflare with it. Currently, I'm using it in my mobile application, so you can even just open your Phantom wallet and the Solflare wallet, and after tapping on the browser tab, you can easily connect your wallets with the Raydium wallet. So here you just have to simply select your desired token that you want to swap, and after that you just have to simply follow the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, you will get your token in your Raydium wallet. Now, if I talk about the pros and cons of the Raydium wallet, first we will take a look at the pros. So, Solana's infrastructure ensures quick and reliable trades. As compared to many other blockchains, Solana's fees are negligible. The token swaps, staking, and yield farming are all integrated into one platform, and the intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners for the Raydium wallet. It also connects seamlessly with the popular Solana wallets like the Phantom wallet and the Solflare wallet. If I talk about the cons, any disruptions in the Solana blockchain could affect wallet functionality. The DeFi tools like liquidity provision and yield farming may feel overwhelming for new users. Although diverse, it's restricted to the tokens supported by the Solana ecosystem. So, the Raydium wallet is a robust choice for anyone who is looking to maximize their experience on the Solana blockchain. So, whether you are swapping tokens or diving into the yield farming, it's a feature packed platform with competitive fees. However, beginners may need some time to explore its full potential. I will also try to create a dedicated tutorial on Raydium wallet, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, and you can even share your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any problem, you can let me know that as well, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.